Hello. Today we're going to cut some wood with the new Milwaukee M18 Fuel Chainsaw. Let's see how it compares to these other two saws.
Down in the dirt. Real bad.
First off, before we actually cut some wood, I want to show you a couple little things about it. One thing that I like about the saw right off the bat is that the spacing between your hands is longer. I just feel a lot more comfortable with a long-handled saw like this. Also, it's got a nice big long grip on it compared to the Craftsman and the SunJoe version of an electric saw. I guess this is actually called a SunJoe, and I do have a 6 amp hour battery in it. The Milwaukee today has got the new 12 amp high output battery, and of course the Craftsman is a 42cc. I know right off the bat that everything else being equal, the Milwaukee is going to cut faster because the SunJoe and the Craftsman are both skip tooth. The Oregon blade on the Milwaukee is a regular commercial blade. So if the power is the same, the Milwaukee will cut faster right out of the box. By the way, I did find the scrunch on the Milwaukee. The scrunch is underneath, down here, right down in there. So I said in the last video that it didn't come with a scrunch. Well, I found it. It was just where it belonged. So alright, let's get cutting some wood. Alright, as always, be safe. Good shoes, long pants, chaps if you got them. If you're working overhead or above your waist, make sure you got safety glasses on. And if you're working over your head, make sure you got a hard hat on. So first up is the SunJoe chainsaw. It's a 40 volt 16-inch cordless. And that tree is pretty well rotten, isn't it? No use doing much with that. Let's try the other end of it. These logs I cut down a few years ago had a oak that got that fungus in it, died off. I'm also losing all my elms, and we got the ash borer up here now. Just got a whole bunch of problems. That's a little better. Alright, let's try the Milwaukee. The Milwaukee is heavier than this SunJoe, but I expect that. It's about the same weight as this Craftsman 42cc. Okay, here we go. Wow. Lots of power. No binding. No clutch problems. Let's do another one. Pretty cool. Do we even need to see the Craftsman cut? I bet not. You know it's going to be slower. You know it's going to bind. It's just what it does. Alright, now let's do some ash. Alright, here's a chunk of ash. See how, can you guys see it okay there? Should I move it around? Let's move it around. First again, the SunJoe. By the way, I tried starting the Craftsman here to show you on this. It won't start as usual. And my chain is sharp on that SunJoe. I can see that. Notice how it binds once in a while and stops. That's fairly common, but it does a pretty good job. Alright, now the Milwaukee. Well, that one didn't bind. I'm impressed, are you? I like that. That thing is so powerful compared to everything else I got here. Alright, that's it. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. Don't forget to like if you want to. And that's about it for today. Just, you can see what it does. You can see how well it does it. Alright, goodbye.
Down in the